Dozens are now confirmed killed in the Texas floods. The death toll rose to 78 today. 68 of those deaths were in Kerr County. 28 are children. They include some of the girls who were missing from Camp Mystic. Officials say 10 campers and 1 counselor still have not been found. This morning, Kerrville city leaders sidestepped questions about their response to alerts issued before the floods.
That is a great question, but again, we want to make sure that we continue to focus. We still have 11 missing children that we want to get reunited with our families.
Officials ended the press conference as they were pressed further on the issue. Today, President Trump signed a major disaster declaration for Kerr County, activating the Federal Emergency Management Agency.